Hi guys, here's the easy steps to verify your website domain on Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Manager. So let's start with opening the Facebook Business Manager. I have pasted the link in description so you can copy from it. So paste it into your browser. Make sure you have logged into your Facebook account, normal Facebook account. Search for this link. It will lead you here to add your domain and verify it. As you can see, I have two business managers, so I'm selecting the other one to verify my domain. Make sure if you have more than one business manager, you can choose the right one from there. Click on add domains. Click on create domains, or you can request the existing one as well. Like one of your business manager is having a domain verified and you would like to use same domain as the brand is same but the products are different. You can request access from there, and the other business manager admin just need to accept the request and your domain will be verified or accessible here as well. So I'm entering a domain to verify. You can type www.com or without www. That's fine. Click on add. Here you can see the not verified symbol is appeared, and here's the method to verify my domain. The easiest method is to verify the domain is adding a meta tag into your header of website and then checking it from here. So I'm copying this, and now I'm going to my website. Search for your domain dashboard. Like I'm having this domain, and type wp-admin. So might possibly they will ask to log into your domain. You just need to enter your password and username, and you will be in the website. And now search for the plugins. Click on add new plugin. Then search for header and footer. You can choose any of the object from here, the header footer. Like I have installed this one already by Anand Kumar. I have used it earlier and it works fine for most of the things. So that's why I just installed it and using it. Now it's time to access it and adding the meta tag into header. So go into sidebar and look for the settings option. This is the settings option. Just need to click on scroll on this, and then you can see the header and footer plugin is appeared here. Click on header and footer, then paste the code that you have copied from the Facebook and go on for saving the settings. Sometimes it's appear like when you are going to add some code or some details here, so you need to verify that everything is fine. Yeah, that's fine. The code is here into website, and now we can move on to the meta to verify if the settings works out. Click on verify domain. Here you can see it's verified. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope to see you in new videos.